You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this folk harvest festival of midwinter, the winter solstice, and the end of winter. Lohri. Also, in English, the pronunciation is as Lohri. How to pronounce English pronunciation: Lohri or Lohri. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.